Hello everyone, good morning to all. Heartily welcome to SCS VAJRA Tutorials. Let us start today's vocabulary session. In part of that, word is prevail. It is a verb. Meaning of prevail is be larger in number, quantity and power. Telugu meaning of prevail is వ్యాప్తి చెందడం, అంగీకరించినట్లు చేయు. Let us see antonyms synonyms of prevail. Synonyms are dominate, rule, succeed, and antonyms are be defeated, come short, fail, fall short. Let us see sentence example of prevail. First sentence is truth will prevail. Telugu meaning of this sentence is నిజం ప్రబలుతుంది. Next sentence, some beliefs still prevail among certain social groups. Telugu meaning of this sentence is కొన్ని నమ్మకాలు ఇప్పటికీ కొన్ని సామాజిక సమూహాలలో ఉన్నాయి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.